In this GeoGebra tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a right triangle. So I'm going to grab myself a point and I'm going to construct a line that passes through A. Kind of go anywhere there. I'm going to construct a perpendicular line through B and perpendicular to AB. Then I'm going to grab myself a point on an object. So this point C, you might notice if you try to move it, if you select that point on an object, it will always stay on that line on which you placed it. Then I'm going to, before I move any further, let me measure this angle so I can make sure that we know that it's 90 degrees. You can move the alpha, and of course it's not going to let me. You can move that 90 degrees so that you can see it inside your triangle. Then I'm going to hide the two lines because I don't really need them. I'm going to grab a segment. Here's A to C, segment A to B, and then again from B to C. Now the reason why this is a dynamic sketch is because I can move my point A. Don't forget to be on the arrow. I can move my point A, right, which is going to move C because it has to maintain the properties of a right triangle. C can move along the line. You might notice that looks a little bit different than how I moved A, and you can move B anywhere you'd like. The reason why this point C is a little bit different is because you constructed it so that it would be perpendicular to AB. So it's only going to be able to move quote unquote like kind of like up and down or away from AB and toward AB, unlike A that you can kind of rotate and spin around and all that sort of thing. So that's how you make yourself a right triangle in GeoGebra.